Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in managing and improving the traffic flow in Indirapuram. With the rapid urbanization and increasing population in this area, the need for efficient traffic management has become even more important. Traffic surveyors in Indirapuram are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on traffic patterns, volume, and congestion. This information helps in identifying problem areas and developing effective solutions to ensure smooth and safe traffic movement. One of the main tasks of traffic surveyors in Indirapuram is to assess the existing road network and identify areas that require improvement. They gather data on vehicle counts, travel times, and queue lengths at different intersections and road segments. This data is then analyzed to understand traffic patterns and identify bottlenecks. The findings of these surveys are used to design appropriate traffic management strategies such as signal optimization, lane widening, or construction of new roads. In addition to conducting surveys, traffic surveyors in Indirapuram also play a vital role in analyzing the impact of new developments on the traffic system. They review proposed building and infrastructure projects to assess their potential impact on traffic flow. By considering factors like increased vehicle volume, parking requirements, and changes in access points, they provide valuable insights to urban planners and decision-makers. This helps in ensuring that new developments are designed in a way that minimizes congestion and maximizes safety. Another important aspect of traffic surveyors' work is to monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of implemented traffic management measures. They regularly collect data on traffic parameters to assess the impact of measures such as signal timing adjustments or road diversions. Traffic surveyors are essential to controlling and enhancing Indirapuram's traffic flow. The requirement for effective traffic management has grown in importance due to the area's fast urbanization and population growth. In Indirapuram, surveys on traffic patterns, volume, and congestion are carried out by traffic surveyors in order to collect data. This knowledge aids in locating issue areas and creating workable remedies to guarantee efficient and secure traffic flow. In Indirapuram, one of the key responsibilities of traffic surveyors is to evaluate the current road system and pinpoint any ineffective sections. At various intersections and road segments, they collect information on the number of vehicles, journey times, and queue lengths. After that, the data is examined to comprehend traffic patterns and spot bottlenecks. In order to create effective traffic management methods, such as signal optimization, lane widening, or the building of additional roadways, the results of these studies are utilized. In addition to carrying out surveys, traffic surveyors in Indirapuram are essential in determining how new developments would affect the traffic system. They examine envisioned construction and infrastructure